The Maverick is compelled to say a word or two this evening about the ascendancy of Cavalier FC to the top of the Red Stripe Premier League after thumping Arnott Gardens in the jungle last night. And you know my thing already. Success for Cavalier means success for youth development in Jamaica. A team with an average age of 21, filled with schoolboys and teenagers, with even more schoolboys and teenagers to come, sitting on the top of the league. This is what local football has needed for a long time. After wasting decades of time and talent following people with a redundant under-21 concept, even the biggest dinosaurs in local football must now be convinced that our best young players, not at 25 or 26, but the 16, 17, 18, and 19-year-olds must be playing our highest level of football, which is the Premier League. Short of functional academies and overseas contracts, playing the youngsters in the league is the best development tool we have in Jamaica right now. And we see Cavalier doing it, and not just doing it for doing its sake, but Mr. Rudolph Speed and company are doing it with conviction, with purpose, and now with success. Mr. Speed, you realize, sir, that you're living up to your name. Yes, yes, yes. You are speeding up the development of Jamaica's young ballers. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Mr. Speed, you are living up to your name, sir. Yes, yes. Mr. Speed, spread out.
Sports comment.